Today we would like to talk about Microsoft Dynamics GP security module, which was introduced in version 10. Please note that version 10 has a completely different security module and it's not compatible with the older versions. Let's take a look at Tools, Setup, System, Security Roles. Let's pick several roles for analyzing. Let's take a look at Accounting Manager. As you would expect, this person has a lot of tasks. For example, publish reports, set up general ledger, etc., etc. Now let's compare this with somebody who is, let's say, AR clerk. For this person, most of the tasks are not available, not checked. For some of them, he can actually apply this task like reconcile receivable amounts, post-scheduled customer payments, age customer balances, etc., etc. If you think that your accounts receivable clerk should not, let's say, age customer balances, you can uncheck this. All right, let's take a look at security tasks. Security tasks, if you are familiar with the older version of Dynamics GP, then you probably can recognize the link between the old and new security module. It's on the level of the tasks, because here you'll have access to Windows and other resources in Dynamics GP. As you would expect, this task only can do posting numbers, which would be related to company setup, and a few other features. Okay, now before we move on to the security for the users, please note that if you have a custom application in your Dynamics GP system, you would need to set up the task ID to let the users access it. Like you would pick your custom application in here, and then you would probably add access to all the windows to your, let's say, custom application, to all the windows and forms and the reports in your custom application, and then you will have to add it to the all the Dynamics GP standard roles, which is supposed to use this security from your third-party application. Let's now move to user setup. Okay. For the users, you can open access to specific company, and then you can add as many roles as you think this user should play, or if this user has access to everything, you should give it power user security role. In this case, all the other security roles are optional. A power user will have access to them anyway. And then before we finish, let's take a look at alternate modified forms and reports. If you have new installation of Dynamics GP10, you would only have one. If you upgraded from earlier versions, each user should have its own roles and alternate modified forms and reports IDs. Here, you simply enable access to Windows modified and modifier. In our case, we don't have any. And you also add access to modified via report writer reports. In our case, we have one in Microsoft Dynamics GP aged trial balance, where we actually added additional bucket. If you have questions, feel free to visit our website. albaspectrum.com or call our 866 number 866-528-0577 or simply email us help@albaspectrum.com. Thank you for watching.